Oh, this is already terrible.
Scenario: you're a wealthy landowner in Scottsbluff, Nebraska. That's crazy. You're living the high life. You just raised the rent of 3 single mothers. The economy's good. Your tenants are tipping. Always tip your landlord. Just bought a brand new Apple Vision Pro and Cybertruck with your tip money. And then one day, you walk out onto the street. Shit. Shit on the sidewalk. Shit on your front porch. Shit on the hood of your brand new Tesla Cybertruck. Shit on your ass you forgot to wipe. Shit everywhere. And the culprit? Homeless people. What are your solutions to these problems? Affordable housing? Better social work? More attention on mental health issues? No. Microwaved honey buns. I'm muscle-pilled, and it's a beautiful shitty day here in San Antonio, Texas. I'm about to show you how to efficiently defend your property from undesirables. And to help me with this video today, I got my homie here, Testosterone Turkey. Step number 1 is dry fire practice. You gotta train how you fight. I ain't eating that shit. So of course, a normal honey bun's not gonna do it because, you know, they're like starving or whatever, and they might just pick it off the ground and eat it. That's where my friend Microwave comes in. Or do you want us to get a table and... All right. So, now we microwave the honey bun.
Yeah.
Jordan,
What?
how long should we microwave this honey bun?
Damn. At least like 30 seconds. Like 17 times though. Is it in?
It's in.
Bend over and spell, are you in? Yeah. I forgot what a 3 was. I forgot.
I'm just gonna take it up there,
I'm dying.
put it in the welding glove and go.
This is hot.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Damn. That shit coming from the honey bussy.
That kind of looked like what came out my ass last night.
3, 2, 1.
Nice shot!
Let's try one more time with another one. That kind of fucking sucked. My friend Microwave here clearly didn't do his job and it just turned it into a brick, a hot brick. Here's the contact point of the molten honey bun. As you can see, it did nothing. He's a little dirty. Little disclaimer, thanks to my good friend, Administrative Results, we know that this ballistic gel does not burn. Exhibit A. That was so cute. Microwaves clearly did not work, so we gotta take it a step up a notch. This one's gonna require a blow job. Real quick shout out to Americana Pipe Dream, Belgian Jigsaw. You know the rules. Think it'd be good? If not, I'll just slap down real quick. Oh. Woo! All right, We ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey man, can I have $1? That was okay. That was an all right hit. But I think we need to take a much stronger stance against the street jockeys. I have with me today my local expert in ADS, otherwise known as improvised anti-homeless devices. What is this?
It's an AK that shoots honey buns. Oh, this is already terrible. Cool, I think that's good.
We're smoking. We're hot. Hey buddy, I got your $1 right here. Should I get closer?
Yeah, let's do that again.
Let's do it again, but get closer.
Yeah. How'd that feel?
Felt pretty good. Well, as you can see, we definitely got him. I don't know if I want to eat that. I was considering it.
We humiliated him, but I don't know if he's learned his lesson. This is disgusting.
Give it up, old man.
Oh.
How many times do we got to teach you this lesson? Undesirable?
That slur goes hard.
Cool, that's good.
I don't keep change, Gramps.
Change? I only got a debit card. That was pretty good. That actually didn't disintegrate. Let's see.
It's all right. It's all
Here.
right. Have a cig, walk it off. You'll be all right.
Need another Newport. Newports.
Oh.
Where are the Newports?
Get him a Newport.
Newport.
Get him! Emergency Newport! Stat!
Open his fucking mouth! Open his mouth! Let's go! He's good.
Oh, thank fucking God. Oh my God. Thank you. You'll be okay, buddy. You're gonna be okay. Don't worry, I'll get you like a 40 ounce or something. Ah, that's crazy. He's still kicking. He's still smoking a Newport. These homeless people are built different. That's gotta change. So I'd like to introduce you to my good pal, Sabo. Just like the wad of a shotgun shell, this is gonna help the honey bun go faster. How are we gonna do this?
All right, let's go to a table.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go like this. There we go, get it started. Oh my God.
First Rick.
All right. That's ready to go.
Told all the CNC machinists to stay home tomorrow.
We're all about consistency here, so we're gonna blowtorch it.
That's actually working really well.
Yeah? What's my line? This is for my property value. That's crazy.
I turned it off. Oh, it took a chunk.
Oh, it actually chunked his
By your
face.
thumb.
Oh, dude. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. He got honey bun in his laceration. Hold on. Let me pick this out for you, dude. There you go.
In his honey bun.
He's still smoking his Newport. Do we want to do that again?
Yeah.
All right, little buddy. You got me. I'll buy you a drink. Turkey! Oh. Hey, buddy. Alcoholism kills. I am way drier than I thought I was gonna be. Oh, yeah, it broke. Let's see. His face is all, yeah, go ahead, touch it. Put your finger in there.
You get the slum over that?
You know I had to devil it. Full power round. I'm scared. One drink's never enough.
Snozzberries smell like snozzberries.
Damn, it took his spinal cord out. That shit fucked him up pretty good. Oh, I'm homeless. Oh, give me more fentanyl, please. Please, I'm having fentanyl withdrawals. Shut up. Oh, wait. Look at me. Oh my God, wait.
The VA be like, your disability is not service connected.
What'd you think?
I liked it. That was fun. That was
Yeah,
cool.
I think that was kind of fun.
Yeah, I like watching shit get shot.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now you too can keep your property value up. Remember to like and subscribe. Goal is 100K subs by the end of the year. I'm Gay, this is Testosterone Turkey, and I just fucking lied to you. The best defense is always a 12 gauge.